Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, actually wait, if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you're not subscribed at this point, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button. Let's go be a part of the house. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to do my hair. I haven't done my hair in like forever, just because I've been live. Okay, we're in a pandemic post period at this point. I don't even know what is going on with this whole COVID guy, but so I'm going to do my hair. The hairstyle I'm going to do is, I don't know what it's called, but it's twist. They're short twist, like bob twist, and this is the hair I'm going to be using. I'm an indecisive human, and I'm not sure which hair to use, so I'm just going to mix two different types of hair. I feel like it will give me more volume. So I started by going into my hair and adding a bit of water to give my hair a bit of moisture, and I also do the same thing with the conditioner. And then I grab my As I Am curling gel. It's not a gel, it's more of like a smoothing gel, or like curling smoothing cream. I just kind of like the smell, so I wanted it in my hair a bit. It also adds moisture and it doesn't flake, so you're good to use it for like whatever hairstyle you're going to do. I raked it through my entire hair section and combed the entire hair out, which is the afro you saw in the initial picture. And then I added a bit of my mix, which consists of shea butter and blue magic and Kuza Indian hemp hair. So this part, what I'm doing is I would take sections of the hair and I would braid it like regular braid. You probably can see it as clearly here as possible, but I'm going to do show you guys again later on in the video, so I would take you through it step by step and be able to get it more clearly. I'm doing it the old style, braid the actual hair under it and then twist continuously after. So you do like two braids, 2 rows of braid and then twist after that. And yes, that's what I did. Because of the mix I made, you don't see too much of the blonde, but because I used that specific hair, the free tress hair plus the kinky hair together, that way I'm able to twist it, because the free tress is like too soft and slippery for my own fingers. So yeah, I'm going to do as much as I can off camera. Yeah, and I'll be back to show you guys. Guys, so I went off camera to kind of complete the back side of it. It's not looking the greatest because I honestly did not even bother to use a mirror or anything like that. It's just, I took a break and ate. I'm tired, okay? I did a client's hair yesterday and I'm doing mine today too, so it's kind of rendering me pretty tired, but trying to stay up to schedule because I got a lot of budding creativity and need to let out my system. So this is what we have so far. You can tell, as usual, I left my edges untouched, like you should. So yeah, it's pretty filled up, even though I tried to take as big chunks or like part my hair as large as possible, because the extension itself is pretty filled. It's kind of like covered up. I don't know what, it's not looking so great. Kind of feel cute. We finished everything here. I'm going to start with this side of it, just to have a bit of hair from the back side look, but let's just do the front parts first. So I'm just gonna part my hair in the usual sections like I was, turn it around as possible. So the free tress braid I was using was in 2 different color codes, and one is just brighter, so I just match it up against my face to see how it will turn out, and then I do my gel, part my hair a bit more clean, and yeah. That part of my hair was a bit messed up on the edges side because of previous weird unknown activities. Let's not get into it. So I take that portion of the hair like I've been doing, and then I braid it like I'm doing actual braids, and then I'll twist my actual hair because it's pretty thick, so I want it to be thin enough so it's not fraying all the way out of the twist braids, or like the twist hairstyle, because 4C hair, so that's what I'm doing. It just makes it look a bit neater even before you polish it up. That part of the hair is also a bit loose on purpose because it's a bit sensitive, and yeah, perks of doing your own hair, you can tighten it as much as you want. But yeah, you can see that side of my edges were not looking the greatest, so gotta like keep it clean. So that's what I do for the entire section of the remaining hair. Gel the under part of it and then just braid and twist. And I don't think I need to explain the same thing over and over again. We're all going to be bored here, so just watch as I complete the hairstyle, and yes, I will be back looking fine. How the hair turned out, I have to cut the ends. Basically what I'm going to do is cut the ends, kind of like make them leveled, and I may put elastics in them, tiny bits of elastic like this at the end, just to make sure that they don't unravel. But yeah, this is basically it. I'm a dress-up animation, guys. So this is the hairstyle that I ended up with. It's probably not looking the freshest because I did this hair like a week ago and I've been so busy. I've only now actually gotten the time to film the rest of the video, like get dressed up, so you can see the way the whole fit turned out. I mean the whole hairstyle turned out. So on most days this is how I'll probably style it. Just put it to the side. Ooh, look good. Okay, I'm also wearing an outfit I made and I recorded that too, so I don't know what's going on with my throat, but you get to see the outfits as well. But yeah, this is how we look. Are we loving this? Are we not? Let me style it differently so you can like get it. A side part, and then you could clip something over here just to make it stay in place, and everything will be here like this. If you're going for a nice little dinner or anything like this, so you can just have your hair like this, you see? Okay, so these are a few hairstyles that you could do with the hair. There's obviously more other things you could do. I don't know if I'm going to make a separate video on, you know, ways to style this hairstyle, since I kind of already showed you half of it, if not more. So yes, this is how the hairstyle turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and anything else you want me to try out, of course. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you made it this far, what are you doing? Don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Spring is here, we need to cover the hair, so yeah. And I'll be back with more videos. Follow me on my social media down in the description box, and let's get interactive. Okay, bye.